Everything about Clubhouse app in Wikipedia. Clubhouse is an invitation-only audio chat iPhone app launched in April 2020 by Paul Davison and Rohan Seth of Alpha Exploration Co. In May 2020, the social networking app was valued at nearly $100 million. On January 21, 2021, the valuation reached $1 billion. History. Clubhouse launched on iOS in April 2020. The app gained popularity in the early months of the COVID-19 pandemic, especially after a May 2020 $12 million Series A investment, $10 million in primary capital and a $2 million purchase of existing shares, from venture firm Andreessen Horowitz. As of December 2020, the app had 600,000 registered users and remained accessible only by invitation. In January 2021, the company announced that it would begin working on an Android application soon. Clubhouse app technology runs on Agora.io's platform. Agora.io is an audio tech startup in Shanghai, China, which went public via an IPO on June 21, 2020. Clubhouse grew significantly in popularity after Elon Musk was interviewed by the Good Time Club in January 2021. On February 10, 2021, Musk tweeted that he agreed to do Clubhouse with Kanye West. On February 13, 2021, Musk tweeted at the official account of Russian President Vladimir Putin asking for a conversation via Clubhouse. The app was not widely used in Germany until January 2021, when German podcast hosts Philipp Klockner and Philipp Gloeckler started an invite chain over a Telegram group, bringing German influencers, journalists and politicians to the platform. As it was not censored and blocked by China until early February 2021, Clubhouse attracted quite a number of Chinese netizens to discuss various topics, including politically sensitive topics, such as protests in Hong Kong and the political status of Taiwan. On the 8th of February 2021, the app was blocked in mainland China. In early 2021, Clubhouse ranked first among free apps on Apple's App Store in Japan. Android open source version. The creator and former developer of vConductor for Android, Grigory Klyushnikov, created an open-source version of the Clubhouse application for Android OS and published it on GitHub. Privacy policy issues. The application creates shadow profiles of people who have never used the application before but are in the contacts of people using it. In addition, Clubhouse records conversations in private rooms. In February 2021, Germany's largest consumer protection organization, the Federation of German Consumer Organizations, called on Clubhouse operator Alpha Exploration Co. to cease and desist from what it referred to as illegal business practices and data protection violations. Features. Clubhouse features a wide variety of clubs and virtual rooms with conversations on diverse topics, for example talk shows, music, networking, dating, performances, and political discussions. The app has celebrity users including Drake, Kevin Hart and Tiffany Haddish, who host virtual conversations on Clubhouse. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for YouTube gods to bless the algorithm.